Ever wanted to grow, heal, and get a breakthrough? You couldn't get 4 days off of work to go to Costa Rica. You don't have to wake up at 5 a.m. You don't have to take 4 days off of work. So you don't need a retreat in the jungle to reconnect with yourself. Hey guys, I'm so excited to be offering on-demand retreats and workshops for Manifest It Like a Woman. So here's the thing. You do not need to run off to a jungle, get a plane ticket, travel across the globe to reconnect with your soul. So I feel so excited to share with you guys that we will be offering an immersive experience on demand. And these are retreats, workshops, seminars, all of the things. So you don't have to get ready. You don't have to be in front of a group, like a group coaching call, and share all your business in front of strangers you do not know. This is about you. All you have to do is show up in your truth. And it could be, and your truth at that moment can be a messy bun, a heated blanket, and your comfiest socks. And that's it. These immersive workshops and retreats are created to meet you where you are, emotionally, energetically, and even physically. You don't need to get ready to belong. You're already here. And that's the thing with Manifest It Like a Woman. And if you're familiar with my work, we are coming back home. Basically, everything that I share, my work is about coming back to her, coming back home. And sometimes when we need a healing, when we are trying to reconnect, we don't want to have to plan a trip. We don't want to have to go somewhere. We don't want to have to be around people and share our souls with people we don't really know. And that's the amazing part about these retreats. They are on demand, so you can show up when you're ready. You can go and come back depending on what your lifestyle is. I'm a mother, I'm an entrepreneur, I have a few businesses, I know how it is. But my spiritual life is really important to me. And showing up as the best version of myself and being the best version of myself is really important to me. I understand investing in myself. I understand healing and bringing all the parts to myself and becoming whole again. You don't need to get on a plane to return to yourself. You are yourself. So you don't need a suitcase. You don't need a new journal. You don't need a new outfit. You don't need anything. You can show up as you are in the comfort of your home. And you don't even have to brush your hair, girlfriend. This is your retreat, your transformation, your sacred space. The journey fits your rhythm, whether it's 5 minutes or 5 hours. It's up to you. So you can show up cozy, you can show up quiet, just show up as you. So we've created something really special, and I'm so excited to share it with you. Our first retreat is Life as My Man, and this is about healing your relationship with masculine energy, with the masculine. This is a 3-day retreat with a bonus day so you can create a plan to move forward. We've created an immersive experience that you feel heard, you feel seen, you feel witnessed. In this immersive container, you have a conversation, a back and forth conversation to reach deeper insights, experience reflective practices. This is about transformation. This is about you. This is about your truth and showing up as you are. So you can join the waitlist for our upcoming retreat at ambermarieturner.com, and I will see you inside. Because this is your life. Live softer, truer, and deeper. This is feminine energy.